Hey guys,
welcome back, and this is Phillip Island, Woolamai Beach.
This walk is so much further than I thought it was.
Didn't look long at all.
We've been going for a couple hours now, starting to get tired. Might have to set up camp for the night. Nah, it's been about like 20 minutes.
Yeah, no camping for us.
It's not too bad, just looking out for the flies. The flies are shocking. Look at this place. Whoa, look, would you look at that?
Our eyes are closed when we start this loop on repeat. Hear my chest, how it beats when you put your hands on me. Time goes fast, but yet so slow. I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go. 'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need is you. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. Don't know what you really feel, but I really like this dream. Don't need to feel anything but you floating in my bloodstream. Time goes fast, but yet so slow. I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go. 'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need is you. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. Lost in each other. Lost in each other. Lost in each other. I'm so lost in you.
History lesson with Jordan Gibson. Ancient rock. What is this ancient rock?
It's pretty young. Only 360 million years ago. Almost as old as me.
Yeah, true. Not as wise as you. Oi, whales. The whales get some vantage points over here, do they? I guess that is a pretty good view from on the top of that rock, to be honest.